Hello everybody, welcome back. Wasn't planning on doing anything video wise today because we're quite busy in the shop, but had a little mishap which has created a video for me which I didn't want, really didn't want it. Yesterday I was out collecting a bike. It was absolutely hammering down, it was darkish, it was not great conditions, and I reversed into something. It was a wall, but I have done that. So, big crease down there, let's zoom out. Big crease down there, pushed all that in, right on there, pushed this round a little bit, snapped the mudguard off, pushed this in, but it is on the aluminium body damage to the tub. The cross member is still where it should be, so it hasn't twisted any of that. I mean, I didn't go into it hard, as you can see. I just sort of pushed into it, didn't realise I was against it. It was sort of a sandstone-y type thing. Didn't really damage the wall because it was massive, 10-foot wall, but it has damaged this, so I've got to do a video. I'm removing all this dent. That's gonna be the hardest bit, I think, because that sort of curls over there. That crease is going to be a right killer to get out there. But we'll have to remove the lights out the way, fuel cap and the pipe that runs down to the fuel tank. The fuel tank is quite far away from this actual area, even though the cap's there, so as long as we pull the pipe off the back, tuck that out the way, then I can really heat this up. I'm going to try see if we can get to the inside of this area, heat this up and give it from the inside. I mean, it might be worth, my issue with it's worth drilling these rivets out, just so it's not sort of stuck against that, or it might be best being stuck against that so it's got something to take the shape off, but I don't want it to tear. As you can see, we've got a hole there and a hole there where it's probably pulled off spot welds, but it's aluminium, so there'll be no welding of this, which is a shame. I've had this car 7 years and never really done anything like this to it. Somebody did reverse into the front wing when I was at an off-road course, but that's a lot easier to replace than a whole rear tub. So that is going to be in a future video, but I just made a little one to show you what's going on with that.